Hi, Lydia. How are you today?
Hi, Mike. I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. You look happy.
Yes, I am. I had a really good day yesterday. What about you? How was your day?
My day was okay. Not bad, not great. Hey, what did you do yesterday? I want to hear about your day.
Oh, it was such a busy day, but it was fun. Let me tell you. I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock? Wow, that's very early.
Really? I love mornings. The sun is beautiful and it's so quiet.
I woke up at 8:30. Maybe that's not very late, but for me it's early.
That's okay. Everyone is different. So, after I woke up, I stayed in bed for 5 minutes. I like to think about my day.
Oh, that's nice. I always jump out of bed quickly.
Then what did you do?
Then I got up and brushed my teeth. My teeth are very important to me.
Good. I brush my teeth too. Do you brush your teeth for a long time?
Yes, I brushed for 3 minutes. After that, I took a shower.
A shower in the morning? I take showers at night.
I love morning showers. The water is warm and nice. Do you like hot showers or cold showers?
I like hot showers. Cold showers are terrible for me.
Really? Cold showers wake me up.
So after your shower, what did you do?
Well, I got dressed. I wore my blue dress yesterday. It's my favorite dress.
Nice. I wore jeans and a white t-shirt yesterday. So I'm interested, what did you eat for breakfast? I'm always hungry in the morning.
Well, I made toast with butter and strawberry jam. Oh, and you know I had to have a coffee with that.
That sounds delicious. I love strawberry jam too. I ate cereal yesterday.
I'm curious, what kind of cereal did you eat?
Cornflakes with milk. And I had a banana too. So, what time did you leave your house?
I left at 8:30 and I walked to work. It only takes 15 minutes, so why not, right?
You walk to work? That's great exercise. I take the bus.
I love the outdoors. I see flowers and trees. But I must admit, when it rains, I take the bus too.
So, you work at the library, right?
Yes, I love books. I read every day. What about you? Do you like reading?
I do, but I would love to have more time to read.
I'm sure. Being a teacher probably takes up most of your time.
Yes, it does. I love teaching. It's such a rewarding job.
Yes. How many children are in your class?
I have 22 students. They are 8 years old. Very energetic.
Children have a lot of energy. What do you teach them?
I teach math and science, sometimes English too. So, what did you do at work yesterday?
Well, one man wanted books about cooking. It was so cute because he was making dinner as a surprise for his wife. It's their anniversary in a couple of days.
That's nice. You help people learn new things.
Yes, exactly. So, what time did you eat lunch yesterday?
I ate lunch at 12 o'clock. It's nice because all the teachers eat together.
That's nice. It's good to eat with friends. What did you have for lunch?
I brought lunch from home. I had a chicken sandwich, an apple, and some water.
Healthy lunch. I ate at a small restaurant near the library.
Oh, what did you eat?
Oh, I had vegetable soup and a salad with tomatoes and cheese. Very tasty.
That sounds delicious. Do you eat at restaurants often?
Not very often. Maybe 2 times a week. Restaurants are expensive these days.
Yes, they are. After lunch, I taught 2 more classes. The afternoon classes are sometimes difficult. My students get so tired.
Yes, everyone is tired after lunch. At the library, it's usually quiet in the afternoon. So, what time did you finish work yesterday?
I finished at 4 o'clock. School ends early. What about you?
I finished at 5:30. The library closes at 6 o'clock, so I helped close everything.
That's a long day. What did you do after work?
First, I went to the supermarket. I needed to buy food for dinner.
What did you buy?
I bought fish, rice, broccoli, and yogurt. Oh, and I bought apples for breakfast today.
Good shopping. I went to the gym after work. I like to exercise.
The gym. That's very healthy. What do you do at the gym?
Well, I run on the treadmill for 30 minutes. Then I lift weights for 20 minutes. You know, not too much.
Wow, that's great. I don't go to the gym, but I walk everywhere, as you know.
Walking is great exercise too. How long do you usually walk every day?
Maybe 1 hour in total. To work, to the store, around my neighborhood.
Good for you. So, with buying all that healthy food yesterday, I'm sure you enjoyed your dinner.
I did. The fish was so fresh. So, what did you eat for dinner?
I made spaghetti with tomato sauce and cheese. Simple but delicious. After dinner, what did you do?
I washed the dishes. Some of us don't have a dishwasher. Then I called my sister. She lives in another city.
I called my mom too. We talked for 30 minutes.
Cool. So, how did you end your night last night?
I read a book for 30 minutes, then I listened to music.
Nice. What book are you reading?
Oh, just a book about space and planets. It's very interesting. What about you?
Well, I watched TV for 1 hour. I watched a cooking show. I learned how to make chocolate cake.
Yum! If you ever make that chocolate cake, you'd better let me know.
Oh, I will. So, what time did you go to bed last night?
It was around 11 o'clock. This wave of tiredness came over me.
That sounds like a perfect end to the day.
Yes. Well, it sounds like we both had good days yesterday.
Yes, we did. What a nice chat. I'm really looking forward to our next one.
Me too, Lydia.
Thank you for joining us, everyone. Before we go, here is a list of some present tense and past tense words that were used in our conversation today.
Yes, and please practice these words as much as possible. It's an awesome list and will definitely help you with your English journey. Wake up. Woke up. Am, is, are. Was, were. Stay, stayed. Get up, got up. Brush, brushed. Take, took. Like, liked. Jump, jumped. Do, did. Get dressed, got dressed. Wear, wore. Go, went. Make, made. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Have, had. Wash, washed. Put, put. Leave, left. Walk, walked. See, saw. Rains, rained. Work, worked. Help, helped. Find, found. Read, read. Prefer, preferred. Teach, taught. Learn, learned. Talk, talked. Love, loved. Want, wanted. Organize, organized. Visit, visited. Bring, brought. Cook, cooked. Prepare, prepared. Save, saves, saved. Come, came. Study, studied. Need, needed. Finish, finished. Close, closes. Closed. Buy, bought. Run, ran. Lift, lifted. Live, lives, lived. Ask, asked. Try, tried. Listen, listened. Fall asleep, fell asleep. Enjoy, enjoyed. Remember, read is spelled the same in the present and past tense, but pronounced differently. Present, read, rhymes with need. Past, read, rhymes with bed. Remember, discussing your day is a great way to practice your English. You can use these words and sentences every day. Practice makes progress. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
I agree. Learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!